In this video, we'll show you how to transform scientific publications into an on-brand, ready-to-use presentation in minutes. Often, turning publications into presentations is a time-consuming process, especially when working with long papers or multiple documents. You need to identify the key messages, summarize complex content, and manually structure each slide. That's where Prezent's industry-specialized AI, Astrid, comes in. Unlike generic presentation tools, Astrid is trained in scientific storytelling. It analyzes clinical research, identifies key messages, extracts data from tables and images, and instantly converts them into a structured, presentation-ready storyline. To begin, simply log into Prezent AI and click on Auto Generator. Upload your publication as a local file, a publicly available link, or import documents directly from your workspace. Then, add a text prompt outlining your key messages and your presentation structure. I already have a structured prompt saved in our prompt library under My Prompts, outlining the number of slides, agenda, study design, findings, and future implementation, along with the context file. Once you click Generate, Astrid instantly creates a detailed presentation following the exact structure defined in your prompt. The generated slides capture the agenda, study design, patient selection criteria, clinical findings, and key implications, turning complex scientific research into a clear, presentation-ready story. Now you can edit the slides based on your visual preferences, tailor them for a specific audience, choose a different brand template, adjust the slide layout, and modify images or chart types. Once ready, simply click the Download button and access fully editable slides in both PowerPoint and Google Slides format. To recap, start by entering a structured prompt and your source files into Auto Generator, and let Astrid instantly transform your context into a clear, brand-aligned presentation. This feature can transform review articles, clinical trial results, or even conference posters into on-brand presentation decks, helping teams move from complex information and ideas to clear, effective communication in minutes.